What is the matter, Torsha? What happened to Siddharth?
No, nothing has happened, uncle. All of you were enjoying. Please continue. I'll take him upstairs. I mean, he won't be able to sit here now. He isn't feeling well. Sid, let's go upstairs. Hold my hand firmly. Don't make a mess over here, okay? Let's go.
Brother Rajiv, Siddharth is totally drunk. Can't even walk properly.
This time it will be a big disaster. Shom, tell me what can be done.
Torsha, I'll take care of him. Siddharth, come. Let's go upstairs and take a rest.
Uncle, now I think we should leave. Let's go. Listen,
Hey, wait.
what are you saying? Why are you leaving now? Nobody has even eaten anything yet.
Yes.
Please say something. Hey, Lakshmi's
Yes,
mom,
yes.
quickly bring the plates. Forgive me. For me, it's not possible to eat anything now. Ratul? Let's leave this place.
Animesh, I do understand an unpleasant incident happened. But if you all leave like this, then it won't look pleasant either. Please do something about it. Mom, please listen to me. Today, we are supposed to fix the engagement date of Nipa and Ratul. You should at least wait for that.
Rajiv, we will think about this whole thing later. For now, let's leave.
Mom, please calm down. What are you doing? Please calm down. What is the fault of others in this? Please.
Ratul, come.
Madam, I understand you're really upset for what just happened. But believe me, Siddharth in this way, in this house, has never...
Mr. Samaresh, this is your family matter. I just don't want to be in this situation, that's it. It's not possible for me to stay here and enjoy. I apologize. Forgive me. Mom! Mom! Why are all of you just standing like this? Mom! Mom!
Dad, you please stay here for a while. I'll see what I can do.
Mr. Amresh, listen, I don't even know what to say. Really don't know. Actually, she is very sensitive to this type of situations. You guys, please don't mind. I will go and talk to her. Don't worry.
You'll talk to her about what, Animesh?
But are you thinking of any alternative of Ratul and Nipa's marriage? See, now we all have come a very long way. And Nipa also.
Nipa?
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 Sister Nipa, listen.
Nipa?
Sister Nipa, listen.
Uncle, I have something to tell you.
Nipa? Hey, Nipa.
Nipa.
Don't cry.
Sister
It's okay. Nipa, don't cry. Everybody is downstairs. Just think how
What
we will
happened?
feel. You come inside the room. Come. Stop crying. Come.
Well, Mr. Britton, you please try to neutralize the situation. I also don't want this relation to break. You know, Sushmita's opinion is very important in our family. Please.
What I'm saying is, Amrish, don't be so excited. We'll surely find a way. Rajiv is trying.
No, Bratin. After what happened today, I think there is no way out. Why did Siddharth do that today? We have never seen him doing anything as such ever. Today, on the day of family festival, he showed this kind of a behavior. Why? I know. I know why he did this kind of a mess. The mistake that Siddharth made, it is the after effect of that. I had said multiple times that the girl isn't worthy enough. And it's all her fault.
Please, Samaresh. Please, brother. Don't talk about all this today. Please.
Without any reason, my daughter's life got ruined, Brother Bratin.
Amrish, I would say that I got nothing more to say.
Sister Nipa, please don't cry like this. Everything will be fine.
What would be okay? What can be okay now?
Sister Nipa, don't cry. Here, please drink some water. Please have it. The Lord will definitely help you. Please have it.
There is no need for everyone to give sympathy to Nipa. Nipa, come to your room. There is no need to stay here.
What are you talking about, Sulata? A disaster has happened and we are all equally concerned about it. Moreover, Rajiv and Nanda have gone to bring Shushmita back. Have patience. Why are you talking about taking the girl to her room?
Tell Mom, whenever I say something, you always blame me. May I know why? What storm is going through my mind at this moment? You aren't trying to understand that. The whole neighborhood, friends, relatives, everyone knows that Nipa and Ratul's marriage is firmly fixed. I have myself said this to everyone. Today, suddenly, my daughter's marriage broke up without any reason. And my daughter is suffering all the grief. We never asked Sid to marry Mithai? Did we ask him? We, in fact, didn't even ask Mithai to create mental stress on Sid. Then why does my little girl have to go through this? Can't you see this, Mom? Why are you not saying anything to her?
Mom! Mom, now can you please calm down? We live in a joint family, isn't it? I can't understand why are you saying this type of thing? She's only your daughter. Why are you saying this? Nipa is the daughter of the entire
Aunt
house.
Sulata. And if you keep crying like this, then Nipa will be sad even more. Please don't cry. Please.
Look, sister was only calm for a while. Now she has started crying again.
Nipa,
Sister Nipa,
my sweet sister, why are you crying? We will definitely find a way out. Your brothers are still here.
Stop it, Shom. Everybody's already fed up by her one brother's action. For Lord's sake, please don't talk about brothers anymore.
brother, listen please. Please call up the new son-in-law. Now only Ratul will be able to console Sister Nipa. Well, Gulti handed over the phone to you, right?
Yeah.
Stop repeating your words, Rajiv. I won't go back to that house again. I don't like misbehavior, and you already know that.
Mom, please. Siddharth never behaves in this manner. You know this very well. Yes, I know that a problem had arisen today, but why are you punishing Nipa and Ratul for that?
Rajiv, stop talking nonsense. Marriage isn't only between two individuals, but it brings two families together. On the prayer day, a man from that family entered the house, drunk and holding another woman's hand in front of his wife, and you expect me to approve of a marriage in that family? I can't understand one thing. Nobody told anything to Siddharth.
Mom, Siddharth was drunk. Saying anything to him could have made the situation worse. Please, relax. Calm down, Mom. You already know, Mom. Sid is a little different from us. He is not like us. On top of that, the wedding was held suddenly.
I know. But that doesn't mean he'll come holding another woman's hand. What a shame. Why did that girl come suddenly to drop Siddharth home? That means she already knew where he lived. In such a situation, if she is helping him, it means she's very close to him. I think that girl had come with her mother the day Nipa's marriage was fixed. That day they both were very formal. Nanda? Who is this girl? And how is she related to Siddharth?
Nanda, it's pointless to discuss all this. We must tell her everything.
Nanda, please tell me everything. Look, it's a critical decision for your husband's younger brother. Siddharth is Nipa's brother. Your uncle lives in a joint family. There, if one person makes a mistake, then everybody has to face the consequences.
Listen, please tell her what you know. I don't understand what to say. I wasn't even here when all this happened. I was with Mom in Durgapur. Say something.
Mom, Torsha and Siddharth are friends from business school. Yes, I accept that their friendship is a bit too deep. Torsha's mom is out of town for a while. That's why uncle has brought her home. She will be there for some days and then leave. And most importantly, it's their personal matter. So why are we...
Rajiv, this is where I have a problem.
What's the problem?
You cannot brush away a serious matter by saying that it's personal. I will have to rethink about this alliance, yes.
Mom,
Mom, what are you saying? Just think about the brother and his wife. They will feel so bad and guilty. Uncle Britin, Aunt Appa, please, Mom. I know it. Please calm down. Please think about it calmly. Just think about this.
Ratul, please. I cannot take such a wrong decision just because they will feel bad. It is a decision about your life and a decision for our family. Nipa! Nipa, come with me. Come. Get down. Come. Mithai.
Yes.
Hello?
Hello, Ratul. Sister Nipa is crying a lot. Please talk to her once. Please, wait. Talk to him. Talk.
Ratul, who is on the phone?
Mom, Nipa is crying a lot and wants to talk to me.
I have asked you to go home.
Oh.
Come at once.
Ratul, why did you... At least talk to her.
Auntie is not letting him talk.
Nipa,
Nipa?
Mom!
Rajiv, go and bring Dad. This is not the right time to discuss all this. You please go. Nanda, please go.
Come.
Nanda, Sushmita hasn't come. Where is she?
You know her well, Mom. She's really stubborn about certain things. We tried a lot to make her understand. It's hopeless. Dad?
What the heck? Rajiv, even you couldn't make her understand. Where is Ratul?
Mom took Ratul and went home. Ratul also said that it was not the time to say anything. Mom was actually asking a lot about Torsha. And honestly speaking, I didn't know as to what should I tell her. Let's go from here now. Things can get worse if we reach home late.
Rajiv,
Yes, Grandma?
Rajiv, my child, is it true that Shushmita will call off the marriage?
No, Aunt. Please don't think about all this now. Let me go home. I'll talk to Sushmita in details. Let's see what happens.
Dad, the situation isn't in our favor. I'm saying the truth as everybody is here. Please don't give any false assurance. Let's go from here now. Come, Nanda.
Aunt, I have to go now. Let's see what can be done. Mr. Britin, please come.
Mom, I'll see what I can do.
Listen, what I'm saying is, please give me a call before leaving Rajiv's house and do come back here, okay? I don't think we will be able to go there today. I think we have to stay here tonight. And please try to make Sushmita understand.
You don't worry. I'll call you in a while. You manage the situation here.
Amresh,
This woman is really overreacting now. Why is she so concerned about Torsha? This is our family matter.
No, Samaresh. You think about this once. If this marriage has to happen, it will happen. Then this whole thing will become their family matter as well. Am I right? We will become a family. We will share a relation with those people. And in that case, brother, I'm sorry. I won't be able to blame Ratul's mother for this.
Samresh, for the wrong that is happening in this house and for the wrong that we are allowing to happen, we have to face its consequences. Isn't it? And you know what's even sadder? That the youngest daughter of this house has to suffer all the pain. Nipa, a most adorable little girl. I can't even imagine such thing, which is happening in Nipa's life.
So for this, you are trying to blame me? And you are trying to point a finger at me, Appa?
Yes, absolutely. I am blaming you, Samresh. You are the only one to be blamed for whatever has happened today in this house.